Well.
Hey Samantha, look at mommy. I love you very much.
Well, I have to.
I do have one more present for you.
Cindy, it's on the TV.
Oh, it's Cindy. Okay, okay.
Go, 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 go.
What?
Go, go.
What?
What?
My really hard to get out too.
Oh, what was that?
It's just a box.
Listen, pull it out first.
Oh,
What is it?
you guys.
What?
What's
What is that? Go, go.
What did you say?
What is
I
that?
guessed it.
You
What
guessed
is
it.
that?
Who is that?
Go, go.
Did you always want Go-Go?
Yeah.
Let's Go-Go. Go-Go.
What do you tell your daddy?
Oh, baby, I love you. You got your puppy you wanted. Good Go-Go.
Hey, what do you tell mommy?
Thank you, Mom.
Are you crying?
Really?
Oh, it's
Well,
okay,
baby.
honey. Are you so
Come here.
happy?
Are you so happy? Come here. Oh, baby, I love you so much, honey.
Aw.
Oh, baby, you never reacted like that.
You really
Tell
wanted
Mommy
that,
thank
huh?
Tell Mommy thank you. Tell Mommy thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Come here.
Oh, my God. That's
Oh, I
crazy.
love you.
Aw, she wanted it so much.
Come here. Hey.
Can we open them right now?
Yeah, you made mommy cry. Were you so happy? You thought we forgot about you, huh? Your daddy's filming you. Okay, let's open it now so we can play with it.
Open it together there.
Okay. You made mommy cry. Hey, Daddy, I don't know how much film we got.
This is one of the greatest moments.
That's the
That
first
is so
time you
cool.
loved it
Isn't
so
that
much,
cool,
huh?
I know it's really soft too.
He's really soft. Have you
Okay.
seen him before?
I'm gonna go get some scissors, okay?
Oh, there's some right there.
Oh, it's really hard.
You know what she's saying?
What?
Get me out! Get me out! Alright. Almost done. You gotta slide her out. Come here, puppy. I gotta untie her in the back. Is she soft?
Yours doesn't feel like her head.
Give her a hug, honey.
You really wanted that puppy, huh? And I have to get underneath, too.
Oh, and her
Can you not turn him off?
I'll get her ear, too. She's gonna walk pretty soon. They got a lot of things to keep her. So there she is right now. Let me turn her on. There she is.
Let her hug it, honey. Hold it up, honey. Hold her up. Hold her up and hug her.
Go by herself.
Hold her up and hug her, honey. That's great.
Okay, that scared me for a second.
Is she